In this video, I'm going to show you how to add MyCase to Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook, you want to go to the Home tab and then click on the More Apps up top, and from here click on Get Add-ins, and you want to go to the left and click on All. From here, go to the search box top right and type in MyCase like this, and of course you want to click on it and hit this Add button over here. Now it's going to add it just like that automatically, and then it's going to show you where you can use it. So as you can see, you can use it while reading emails and while composing emails. Now to find it while you're reading emails, for example, if I click this email to actually open it, you want to go to More Apps, and here you'll find MyCase, and of course everything you can do with it. But if you are writing a new emails, you'll be able to find it over here as well. So you can see if you go to the top here, I'm going to actually make this bigger. You can see Apps, MyCase, click on it, and you can use all the functions over here. Okay, so that's how to add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.